Anil Kumar Shah. Even the crowd knows it. Ah, my goodness. I only see 2 pedals raised. 3. Okay, so I do it. 10. That was 10.50. That was 11. That was 11.50 now. Okay, 12. 12.50. 13. 13.50. That's 14. That's 14.50. That's 15. Now let's complete the procedure. Now let's see how many of you there in 50. How many of you there in 50? That's too heavy. Is it, Shrinkala? Is that too heavy? Okay. Remember, only the baton raised by the flag bearer counts. Sandesh. Okay. Starting with Lumbini, sir. So here's Lumbini. Then comes, after a long time, Janakpur Bowls have wide. Sudur Pashchim, are you there? Yes. Sudur Pashchim Royals. Kathmandu Gorkhas. Okay. Pokhara Avengers. Yucks. Okay. Here we go, sir. Okay. Sir, please pick one without looking at it. One of the biggest buys, I guess, for the moment. Anil Kumar Shah goes to Janakpur Bowls for 15 lakh rupees. Congratulations, congratulations, guys. So I haven't picked all the other ones for the moment. So Anil Kumar Shah will